Now, as I have opportunity to change the cables again, I will take now this opportunity and I will place new one, racing one, which I will show you just in a moment. So what we have here, we have leads from the Formula Power. This one is much thicker than original, so I will place them over here. I believe it will come up nicely with current ignition coils that we have. Let's do the job. For this, as usual, you need to have this tool, and now is of course a good opportunity to see how it works. You can see. So all three are out, and I can tell you this is taken out in the right time. And let me show you what is the difference between Formula Power leads and this one. So you can see the difference in the cable length. That is first, and second one is the cable thickness. You see this one, you see this one. And I am thinking to add some heat resistant foil on these lower ones, so things like this never happen again. So this is heat resistant foil. It's coming like this, so I will just place a little bit over, so it will protect in long term this lead. Just like that. And then I will do another one. And here it is. I done three like this. I know it looks maybe silly, but it will work. It will work. And this is the final look with new ignition leads, coil leads. I will do now the top. I hope I will be able, because mostly we were taking out the manifold, but I will try. Today I'm changing the leads for spark plugs. This is the old one, so now what I'm trying basically is not taking out the manifold. Instead, what I did, I took like screwdriver like this one, and then I pull out from the ignition coil, and then I use this tool for the lead removal, and I took out over here. What can be difficult is passing them through, but I will try now. So just for comparison, here we have from the Formula Power lead, and this is Chinese. You can see the difference. This side cable, if you look, you see what is different in width, and on this side, which is going to the leads, you see also the difference. In order to change the leads in the top, I have to remove inlet manifold, throttle body, spark plug leads, and that should be it. I will take this part of the pipes and also on this side. I remove spark plug leads, so now it's easier to access the bolts that are just behind for the manifold. I don't know how much you will be able to see, but you have plenty of them. First one is all the way on the left. Okay, so next one is between two banks. This one. Then you have one between second and third. At the end you have on the bottom, see over there one, and here is one. And you have also one just over there. Once you remove all 6 screws, which looks like this, you can remove the manifold. Now make sure they are not the same length, as you can see. So just make sure to put them in good way. Now you can just put all the rest apart and wiggle a little bit, and the manifold is out. So in order to put new lead coils, we need to connect them here on ignition leads. So basically you just push them until you hear click, and that's it. For positioning, make sure that they can pass over. So the first one is going like this, so you can position just like that. Second one is going between these two, and the last one is going between this. Otherwise you won't be able to put it over here. Find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and also check our website thesmartracer.com for all guides, tutorials and the shop. Thank you, and see you in the next video.